whoever you be, wherever you are, you'll be okay. No matter where I go through, no matter if life gets rough and tough and you feel like you're there at the last for continue to survive, just realize, say, a light is at the end of the tunnel. So open your eyes. You are remarkable. You are strong. You're one of God's greatest gifts. Follow him and you'll never go wrong. You are smart. You are noble. Pay keen ears to these words I told you. The skies were overcast and then torrential rain for days. Throughout your darkest moment, you experienced pain for days. Cold and bitter, angry and confused, but be cautious with your steps before you make the wrong moves. And if you're feeling a bit empty right now, somewhat unsatisfied, fret not, for God already sent an angel to be a travel guide. You'll be okay, okay? Just know that God is real. Becky, after you overcome the sophisticated face with the strongest you ever feel. One Queen Reeks, you are remarkable, you are sweet. So trample all hypocrites beneath your feet. Be patient and pray more, you'll be okay. Gloria, forget about them who not believe in you because you got no time to play. All of you are fighters, survivors who resist to quit. Your love, your greatness, you deserve lifetime happiness. Tell them precisely.